FAWTV is in launch as excitement for UEFA Euro 2016 continues to build. And it's a big match this time round as Wales prepare to meet England in the stadium just over my shoulder. Some of the Welsh fans visiting Lawns will feel very at home here, very much like Pontypridd or maybe Llanelli. There's a lot of excitement in the town. There's something quite magical about the fact that one of the biggest games at UEFA Euro 2016 will be played here. Joe Ledley and Gareth Bale reflect on Wales's crucial win and look ahead to the England match.
Very emotional. I didn't expect to make the squad at all. When the results came in, said I fractured my leg, I thought it was game over, but to come onto the pitch and be involved with a 23-man squad was a remarkable achievement, and I've worked hard to achieve this, and hard work has paid off. I've got to thank the physio, Sean, for what he's done for me. He's been there from day one.
I think it was a historic moment really for Wales. I think the celebration showed, just wanted to share it with everybody that was there on the bench. Just one of those moments you'll never forget. That's what our foundation is. We all work hard for each other, we work strong together, and our whole demeanour and what we're about. To put on a Wales shirt, any player will tell you, we're so honoured and proud to represent our country. For Wales, there's obviously that passion, that pride. To see the scenes after was amazing just for us all to see.
We appreciate everything they've done for us. They're a fantastic bunch of fans, and the atmosphere on Saturday was unbelievable. One of the best I've been in. They started this, and we go out there and try and perform for them. Some of the songs they've got have catched on to the players, and it's brilliant what they've done for us. We just need to obviously concentrate on ourselves and what we can achieve. Our aim is to get out of the group, and it still stays the same.
We go into every game trying to win it. We feel confident going into the game, and we're not thinking past England now. We're just fully focused on what we have to do.